Welcome to Tex and Edna Boyle's Prayer Warehouse Curio Emporium, where we're making honey. I ate the soap today. It's been such a long time since I made this soap. It's like watching someone else. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Yeah, it's been a long time since we've done narration. There's a lot going on.
There's a lot of shit going down in Funky Town. But anyways, let's stay positive. Sure, my stairs and my front porch are falling off my house, and I'm waiting for the insurance company to get back to me, which is sort of keeping me unable to focus. But there are worse things in the world, like being locked down for 16 months and gaining 25 pounds, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
There's my favorite titanium dioxide, and that's the piping jug we're going to put aside for later.
Yeah, and I bet a lot of people have had that. Walking around the block doesn't work, does it? When you sat there bored, locked down, eating pizzas and cakes.
You can only walk around the block so many times before you get sick and tired of the view. Honestly. Can we just get on with our lives here? I just want my life back.
Yeah. Restrictions are easy there, by the way, but we need to be restricted a bit more.
Oh, they're easing, yes. Honey,
Yeah.
I watched the kids from Windy Point Soap Supplies in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Far, far away from me. I do like their fragrances. I was going to say fragrances. New word. I come up with them all the time. I've had a lot of coffee today. I probably won't shut up during this video.
And we can't remember half of it because it's been that long ago. We've had to resort to doing music instead of narration because of what's all the stuff that's been going on.
Gold mica in a bit of oil. What are we going to do with that, folks? We're going to make it look like honey.
There's a new show for you. Cake, Soap, Gold.
Yeah. Cake, soap, gold. Say that 3 times fast. I dare you. Cake, soap, gold. Cake, soap, gold.
Anyway, we just want to know everybody's alright out there and dealing with the COVID and getting on with life.
Yeah.
Never give up on all those people out there doing similar stuff or creating other stuff. Never give up.
Yes, let me tell you a story. There's my favorite titanium dioxide again. That's not the story. Last fall, I think it was, Susan, I think she's the CEO of YouTube or something, sorry.
Oops.
She put out a video saying it's okay to take a break from YouTube. It won't affect your numbers or anything. Your mental health is more important. And my son got really sick for a few months, so I did. I took 2 months off of YouTube. I had to. I had no choice. Didn't have a minute to myself. And then when I got back on YouTube, I got spanked by the algorithm so bad. You can see it in my numbers if you look at my videos. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who's hung in there with me, continues to hang in there. And Susan, thanks a lot.
Yes, so don't believe a word the CRO people say.
Be careful.
Can't mention names now, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, it's been a struggle, let me tell you. So we're putting some
chunky
honey-scented soap chunks in the main batter. And that's why I poured a little layer off to let it harden, because when you put chunks in your batter, they can fall off the bottom of your soap.
And it's good enough to eat time and time again.
Yes. And every time we watch this stuff, ooh, what does that look like?
Caramel.
It looks like caramel, folks. And we want ice cream. Hence the 25 pounds.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know. Guess what? Gary told me a couple weeks ago. It was kind of weird.
What did I tell you?
You told me. You told me I was talking in my sleep in a perfect British accent, which I can't even do when I'm awake.
Yeah,
remember?
That was weird, yeah.
Isn't that strange? And what did I say?
No. I said, what I actually said was, if you remember rightly, was, oh no, not that again.
And
what?
You said I did. You said that I said it really posh.
Yeah, you said it like this. Oh no, not that again.
That's so weird because I can't do that for the life of me.
What? Because as you take that, I always go to sleep after So I get to enjoy these moments.
He gets to enjoy the television shows that I can't tolerate when I'm awake. So
You
I
know,
go to sleep first, and he watches all this zombie.
You know what we're talking about. Your
Stuff.
boyfriends, your husband's watching zombies and blow 'em up films
Yeah,
and stuff like that.
I can't even deal with it.
Little boy in the man
I
never
like
goes away.
documentaries. I can watch fiction if it's plausible, right? Like zombies to me are not plausible, so I just can't friggin' stand them.
I love them.
I know you do. I think you love them more than you love me.
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
Doesn't that top layer look good?
And here we go, getting the piping prepped.
Yep. Prep the piping.
Peter Piper prepped.
A pickled pepper.
A pickled pepper of piping. Oh,
Yes.
ha, ha.
Oh, ha, ha. I like when you do that. I don't know why you do, but I like. Look at my poor broken finger in this. Did you see it?
Yeah.
You might see it again. It's on my, let's see, my right hand. So to your left, it's my index finger, and it's bent. It looks crooked like a witch's finger. Because I did not seek medical attention when I broke it.
Yes. And it can be repaired, but it's a pain, so...
I mean, I do have arthritis and fibromyalgia as well, but I don't think that's the arthritis doing that. And anybody else who's suffering out there, just get out of bed when you can, keep moving, do what you can, and if you can't, then don't. And don't feel guilty about it.
Yeah, in my best posh accent, I will say, oh, they look like UFOs.
Those look like UFOs, yes. They do.
You have UFOs on the soap, you better call MUFON.
They kind of look like, how old am I, 53? They kind of look like 53-year-old boobies, to be honest.
Ooh, I don't know.
La la la, not listening.
You gotta have a laugh,
Here
though,
comes my soap dough. Oh, first the gold drizzle.
That reminds you when you have a tiramisu dessert at the restaurant and he puts it on the
I
top.
like making a mess. Here's my little, I made those out of soap dough. They're little honey pots. And I think I could have done a little better, but
I think Paddington Bear would be proud of them honey pots.
my hands weren't really cooperating the way I wanted them to. But yeah, again, I want ice cream. Dairy
Ice
Queen.
cream, ice
Peanut
cream.
Buster Parfait.
I want any ice cream.
Soap curls. Not sure what they represent, but whatever. They look nice.
Honey soap girls, that's what they
So
are.
this soap, Honey I Ate the Soap, is available at fruitsofaloon.com. The store is open again. It was closed in May. Grand opening. I made about 15 soaps, some sugar scrubs, and things are selling nicely. It's not like, out of this world, but it is a slow time of year for soapers. And honestly, I'm just happy to make a little bit of money back to buy supplies to make more.
I think that's what happens to a lot of soap makers. The reward is very
Crafters.
little for the amount of effort, but they do it to get
Crafters
just
in
enough
general.
money. Yeah.
By the way, I don't talk about this a lot, but I make soap dishes out of resin, which is like a hard plastic or something. They're on my website, and they are the size of a tall bar soap with piping on it. They actually fit piped soap. So go check them out. I can make them any way you want. There's a couple of examples on the website. And, or I don't know, maybe I'm just doing this all for nothing. I have no clue. Don't have any idea.
The reality is that's the way it is. You just do enough to get by, and And there we are, a lovely
Finished soap out of the mold.
soap.
I am
Slice
so
after slice.
hyper. And there's a bee at the window. Yikes.
Bees.
There we go. Honey, I ate the soap.
That's turned out exquisite. I do like them honey pots. I think Paddington Bear will be pleased
Did
if
you
you had
say,
one of
are
them.
you saying Paddington Bear?
Paddington Bear.
Paddington Bear. Honey pots.
Nice colours.
We had a bear here that Ate honey. I can't remember. I'm too old. It was
I think the
in
most
the
famous one is
70s. Was
Paddington, isn't it?
Smokey
But,
the Bear?
yeah.
No. Yogi Bear.
Yogi
Was it
Bear.
Yogi Bear? Did you have Yogi Bear?
Yogi Bear was the cartoon, wasn't it?
Yes.
With Boo Boo.
Oh, I forgot about
Yeah.
Boo Boo. Yeah.
Boo Boo. Hey, Boo Boo. Something like that, yeah.
Incidentally, there's a lot of bears this year because I think they canceled the bear hunt last year.
And can
I'm not
anybody
sure.
help me out here?
What?
There's a cartoon I used to watch called The Air Bear Bunch, and it was bears on motorbikes.
Talking about Care Bears?
And no, and she doesn't remember it. I do.
No, I didn't. I didn't see any cartoons with bears on motorbikes.
Yeah.
Maybe we didn't have it here.
And the supervisor spoke like this: "You knucklehead." Like
Oh, that sounds familiar.
yeah, like but no, he's pit stop. Same guy did the
But
voice.
it sounds a bit like my dad, so I might just be getting confused.
And then he had his assistant. It was a bit, going, Mr. Beasley, Mr. Beasley. Someone out
sounds
there
familiar
must know
too,
what
but
it is.
it might just
I
be-
love that show.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know.
Anyway, back to the slicing of the soap. We're now down
Last
to the
piece.
last one.
Last piece, still available at the website, fruitsofaloon.com. Thank you for hanging in there with me. And I really appreciate all you guys.
And we'll try and catch up on the narrations, and we'll speak
There's a
to you
brace.
soon. There's a brace.
A brace. Sorry, a brace.
A brace of soap.
A brace of soap. And
Oh.
yeah, we love you. And until next time, thanks again. If you haven't subscribed and you liked listening to stupid people babble,
Ping the bell.
hit the subscribe button, big red thing, and ring my bell. I say,
Bye.
ring my bell.
Bye, cherry pie.
Bye bye.